Alright, here we are. My wife getting ready for lunch, which she's cooking.
Hi guys, good morning.
Okay, let us know. What are you cooking, chef of the future?
I cook pork sinigang.
Okay.
This is my favorite.
Okay.
And this is bacon.
Bacon. Oh man,
It's already cooked.
That's my favorite right there.
Bacon for the carbonara, and my pasta. It's already cooked.
Okay.
Okay, and this is a little fish. You know, this is we call in Bisaya kinilaw. I miss to eat this.
Okay.
Smell good.
Okay,
but I'm sure hubby he don't like it.
No, that I'm not gonna eat.
I don't like it.
That I won't eat. Everything else I will eat.
Okay. Now. Your chef is already tired.
My wife is an excellent cook. She reminds me of my friend back in Pennsylvania, Marie Roy, she is an Italian cook, and she is excellent too. I could just imagine the both of them getting together, Filipino food and Italian food. Oh my God, we would probably make a fortune.
Really?
They're both excellent cooks.
I'm a very good cook.
Just to let you know, Marie, we always think of you and my main man, Clint. Okay, I'm going to follow my wife around because I don't know what she's getting now. She puts all the little secret things in there and...
Butter.
Butter. Butter. Put some butter in there.
Put some butter.
Okay.
I always use butter.
Okay.
Because it tastes good if there is a butter. Okay. I wet tissue so it will dry fast. What you doing, dude? I saw you. I see you.
Hubby, I need an apron. Well, there it is, hanging on the other refrigerator.
Sorry, because I always forget. This is almost done.
Well,
Harvey, you like carbonara?
yes. Bacon I tested. Good. Let me tell you, it's good. Look at that face. How could you not love a face like that? Look at that. My beautiful wife.
Someday I want to have, we want to have a small business, like a small,
Like a stand to sell food.
carinderia.
Carinderia. Yes?
Small carinderia. And Happy said, I am the one to cook.
She has to cook because
my food is so delicious. I am a great cook.
you're convinced, right?
But,
you're not conceited, you're convinced.
But
She is an excellent cook.
It's not easy, guys. It's a lot of work.
It is a lot of work.
Maybe hubby can help me.
Maybe.
Maybe or
This is
he
going to
can
be
help
a
me.
family affair. Okay? I'm not going to do it unless the kids get involved. We all get involved as a family. That's the only way this is going to work out. Otherwise, we just don't do it.
the kids, I don't think so because they're going to school every day.
I don't care when they go to school. When they come home from school, they do their homework, and then you help us. Like all the other kids do in the Philippines, help their parents. Very simple. They will help. Okay, I'm going to help a little bit. As you can see, yeah, that's me. I'm going to stir it. Just a little bit. Okay, that's my job, to stir it. It looks really good. Yummy, yummy. That looks good. And I'm looking at that bacon, ready to eat another piece. But I know my wife will get mad if I have another piece. Okay, we're going to follow her. We're going to follow her now to the big refrigerator. Big. That's where that's the main drawer of all the ingredients. Oh yeah. And we're going to follow her back. Put some spices in there. Yummy, yummy. It smells so good in here. Oh, smells so. And this is lunch. Could you imagine what dinner looks like?
No, guys, we have visitor now. That's why I cook
Okay.
too much.
Yeah, she overdoes it, my wife. She reminds me, instead of being Philippine, she reminds me of Italian. She always cooks more than enough. Always. We could feed the neighborhood. She cooks too much.
Just for today because we have visitor. No? We have
All right.